Students, today we are going to see product life cycle stages and also different types of products based on their need and requirement. We could see here every product mostly will come across these 5 stages in their lifespan. The stage 1 is about product development. Second stage is called as an introduction. Third one is about growth. Fourth, maturity. And fifth one is about decline. There are very few products which falls into the category of fads, styles and fashions may not fall or may not be seen with these 5 stages. Might be because of the graphs which have been plotted here showing information about style, fashion and fad. The sales are not going to be continuous with time. It cannot be predicted based on its phases. Coming to the product life cycle stages, as it is discussed, every product generally will be falling into all these 5 stages. First stage, what is shown as a product development stage. Second stage is called as introduction stage. Third one is a growth. Fourth one is maturity. Fifth one is decline. Depending upon the product's success or failure, the span of each phase may have the length of its own. Coming to this, what is particular phase called as a product development phase? It begins with the companies which develops a new product idea. During the particular phase, the sales are not going to be there, and you need to invest to develop the product from the conceptual stage to the final physical shape. So investment costs are going to be high, and we can't think about any profit because of the product is not yet entered into the market. So this is a status which is going to be there in the first stage of product life cycle, as named as product development phase. Coming to the second phase, which is called as the introduction phase, where you could introduce your product into the market. There are the customers who are coming and asking for this product, and there might be a low sales, and in order to get every customer to come and again ask about this product, you may have to spend a lot of money for advertising, promotional activities, so that we could consider it as a high cost for every customer who is coming and again asking for this product. And as it is like a initial stage of making the product to enter into the market, and we could witness negative profits. So the approach what could be followed in your introduction phase is about targeting the innovators, the people who are looking for new ideas, new products, new things to be tested, new things to be observed, understood. So they are called as innovators. Innovators are going to be targeted. And this product is just now entered, even you may not find a competition from the other products which are there in the market. So we could say it is like a competition level is little. The third phase is called as a growth phase, where you could find there is a rise in sales rapidly, and the way how you spend money for getting the customer to come and again ask for this product could be reduced because of already some customers have taken this product, and they are going to be as people who can convey the information to other customers about the way how they are experiencing this product. So the average cost per customer, previously it was like very high investment for each customer to come and again take the product. Now in growth stage, it becomes the cost is slightly reduces for each customer to come and again take this product. So we could witness in the growth phase rising profits. So previous phase where we targeted innovators, here the people who could follow others, how they are interacting with the product, how they are experiencing the benefits of the product. The next level people who will be entering in purchasing these products are going to be called as the early adopters. These are the people who are going to be targeted, and you require to make out your product to get into the market in a rapid way. So after entering into this growth stage, we could see the competition growing, among the competitor products and also your product. This is called as a growth stage. Next one is about maturity stage, where you could find your sales are reached peak position. You are not going to spend a lot of money for getting customer to purchase this product, as already the people who have purchased are becoming as a goodwill or contribution from your side. They are going to speak about this product and able to get other customers to come and again receive this product. There will be a possibilities of getting high profits. And the next level is called as, first one is the innovator phase, second one is about early adopters phase, third one is going to be called as the middle majority phase, who are going to be targeted during this maturity phase to come and again purchase these products what you are having. And thereafter the competition begins to decline. Once you reach to the peak sales, thereafter again it becomes like a slowly dropping down the sales. So that is a place where we call it as a declination starts. Declining sales, as the people already would have seen the other products which are emerged out into the market, they might have felt like, why not I go for the new product? Okay, so low cost, of course, as you already been tasted the peak position your sales, and again like you also might be looking for the new product to get into market, and so you also may not be interested to invest cost for customers to come and again choose this product. And declining profits, as we already able to achieve the situation there as a peak in a maturity level, of course thereafter you may not be able to have like a consistently having the same position for long time. So declining profits, laggards are targeted who are interested to have it for the bigger mass purchase. Those guys could be targeted. And declining competition. So what we could understand from these 5 phases, the way how the product comes into market based on its particular development phase, from their introduction phase, after that it enters into growth phase, maturity, thereafter decline. Let us see the demand, how it makes the different types of products to come into the market. Here you could see generic products which are called as marketable products. These products are going to be emerged out based on this research what has been done by studying the market and what the market is in need of, requirement, and developing research and development of the prototypes, and then marketing and selling them. So this market pool is when product ideas are produced in response to market forces, customer needs. Examples we can call it as the development of cameras which have become smaller, more lightweight and high performing as a result of customer needs. And you could see like a mobile phones how it has been transformed, and you could see this particular the trams which have been used by kids, used for kids to travel. So the products which is becoming like a regular need, when bikes, like now it has become like electric bikes which have become like a market pull because of to avoid the pollution. So all these things are market pull. The people are looking to have electric bikes now. Technology push products. We could see the technology, because of there is a lot of advancement is happening, and it becomes as order of the day to have a product with the latest technology. So when research and development is new technology drives the development of new products, technology push usually does not involve market research. It tends to start with the company developing an innovative technology and applying to a product. We could see the way how the storage devices are being transformed, starting from the floppy diskettes and entered into CDs and then USBs, whatnot. The way how the storage of digital data, how it has been come out, and the apps which have been emerged out in your smartphone. All these things are again like a technology advancements. What is happening? There is certain security systems which have been incorporated with the technology advancements. Platform products. We could see here platform products. Whenever previously we were not in a mood of like getting the printers at every home. Now it has become like a definitely required commodity to be kept in your home. Appliance are equipment whose basic design and some components are used in several products of a product family, right? So where Apple platform, which has come out, like definitely it needs to have that iOS application, and also you require to have a specifically when I just go for Apple platform, Relevant to that, apps needs to be developed. Relevant to that, the benefits, what is being acquired from apps to match to that, the iPhones, iPads. Okay, so the connectivity comes out based on another product is there in linked with this particular product. Definitely, automatically the demand goes for the other connected platform products also. Similarly, like a jars. If suppose if we are purchasing one particular domestic appliances, related to that, you may require to acquire additional jars. You may require to go for additional cookers, right? So depending upon what type of appliance that already you have got it, in a similar lines, the things which could be used as an accessories or could be useful for the people to use as a additional mounting on top of that, that happens as a platform products. The one is about process intensive products, as we have seen about seasonal fluctuations, where we could see the mangoes are available only during summer season. So how you could make that to be tasted during the other seasons, as I mentioned there as about like juices which were converted, the mangoes which are available during that particular season is getting converted into essence, could be stored for a long time and could be converted into the liquid juice form, and that could be consumed in other seasons also. Similarly, fast food. So the way how you make modification in your process of making it, the taste is going to be differing. The ingredients are going to make a difference in final outcome what you are going to see. So there are not many products which are available in the market. Why? How these particular products are varying, the way how it is being made, the way how these components are going to be added into that. Okay, so for that reason only the variance is been available for the customer to choose what they want among the available options. So characteristics of the product are highly constrained by the production process. So process intensive products means its process is going to have lot of variations within it. Because of that, the end product definitely will have a different benefit. So either an existing production process must be specified from the start, or both product and process must be developed together from the start. So that is the way how these fast foods are emerging out. The same ingredients what you are going to have it, either if you go to Domino's Pizza or maybe any other fast food centers, you could see the ingredients remain same. Those ingredients you are going to use it, and you will make out multiple forms to offer to the customers based on their interest and demand. Other one is about the customization, customized products. You could see the very good example for these customized products about our credit cards and debit cards, which have been printed with our own name and again like a detail, so that it becomes like a unique card for each and every person individually. And similarly, the customization which has been already deployed on your cups or your photo frames or any particular even mobile casing, you could see your photo, you can feel like that particular thing is belonging to you. The products that are uniquely designed according to the customer specification, they may differ in shape, size, logo, image, color, etc. These products are different from generally available products in the market. These are meant for a specific range of people, or maybe even go for individual person. Other type of product is called high risk products. Here, the technical market uncertainties creates high risk of around 2 years back, there was a launch vehicle which has failed, and we were also another thing what we experienced about the Chandrayaan, where we are able to be successful till reaching to that particular moon orbit. Thereafter, again landing, we are not able to be successful. So this all becomes like a high risk of failure, where a lot of investment is happening, and thereafter, again, if anything goes wrong, it is going to be like a maximum investment loss. The risks are identified early and tracked throughout the process. You require to have a lot of cross checkings, lot of along with the process validations and clarifications. Then only you will be able to proceed for the next process to go further. This is applicable for the pharmaceuticals. Like today, during this particular pandemic season, like the people are all awaiting for this vaccine. When you wanted to bring out the vaccine, you need to do some sort of ethical the rights to use some either mice or any other animals, monkeys or something, and where you require to deploy this particular medicine on top of them and again try to find out how they are behaving. Thereafter, you are going to take the results of that and again try to go for human trials. So the result is going to be very risky. So for that particular thing, you require to have a clear-cut procedure to be followed to verify at every stage what is happening. Coming to the next one is called the quick build products. This is becoming order of the day. Whenever the biggest challenge is happening, immediate requirement of more number of masks, more number of mugs, or more number of toys, or any other things, the people will go for making out the products without testing. It could be called as a design, build, thereafter only testing happens. So this is something called the quick build products. For the development of some products such as software and many electronic products, building and testing prototype models has become such a rapid process that the design, build, thereafter only test cycle can be repeated many times. Other one is a very important segment of product, which is called the complex systems. Systems must be decomposed into several subsystems and many components, and these systems are developed by many teams working in parallel, followed by system integration and validation. It could be across the boundaries, might be across nations also, where we could see BrahMos, which has been developed by in collaboration with the Russians and also Indians and again many other nations which have been participated in that. And similarly, when you wanted to launch vehicle structure, it has been mentioned by the director, setting around nearly around 185 different organizations which are taken place in developing that particular structure. Similarly, you can see Arjun tank and the particular jet plane, which where we are getting a lot of the collaboration across the different nations. So with this, we are able to see what is a product life cycle, and then we are also able to see what are the different products that are emerging out in our lifestyle. Okay, with this, I am summarizing. Product life cycle is having 5 phases, starting with the product development phase. Second one is introduction phase. Third one is a growth phase. Fourth is a maturity phase, and fifth one is a declining phase. Similarly, there are the possibilities of having like a products because are based on the demand of the market, based on the demand of the technology development. It could be of process intensive, or it could be like a quick build products, or it could be of the complex problems, or like it could be of the particular process intensive. All these things we just discussed, and